Very good morning, student. Welcome to our physics class. First lesson, measurement and measuring instruments. Once again, repeat the topic, measurement and measuring instruments. So, learning objectives. To get exposed to the rules to be followed while expressing physical quantities in SI units. SI means System International. Then the derived units, the usage of scientific notations, the three characteristics of measuring instruments, the usage of vernier caliper and screw gauge for small measurements, to try to find the weight of an object using a spring balance, the importance of accurate measurements. Then we should know about the physical quantities and units. What is meant by physical quantity? So very important 2 mark question. Please note it down. Physical quantity can be classified into two types. One is the fundamental quantities, another one is the derived quantities. What is meant by fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities and derived quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Once again, repeat the concept of fundamental quantities. Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Example, length, mass, time, temperature. Next definition is derived quantities. Quantities like area, volume and density can be expressed in terms of some other quantities. They are called derived quantities. Once again, repeat the concept of derived quantities. Quantities like area, volume and density can be expressed in terms of some other quantities. They are called derived quantities. Now, the explanation of these quantities, physical quantities, have a numerical value, a number and a unit of measurement, say 3 kilogram. Suppose you are buying 3 kilograms of vegetable in a shop. Here 3 is the numerical value and kilogram is the unit. Let us see about units now. So unit system of earlier times. So in ancient period, we followed some basic units: system, length, mass and time. System, CGS system. What is the abbreviation of CGS? Centimeter, grams, seconds. Centimeter, gram, second. Centimeter for length, gram for mass, second for time. Next, FPS system. FPS means foot, pound, second. Foot for length, pound for mass, second for time. Then third one is MKS system. MKS means M means meter for length, K means kilogram for mass, S means second for time. So this is the basic fundamental system followed by ancient period. But at the end of the Second World War, there was a necessity to use worldwide system of measurement. Hence, SI means International System of Units. A system of units was developed and recommended by General Conference on Weights and Measures in 1960 for international usage. Nowadays, we should follow the SI system international or international system of units. Next, unit. What is mean by unit? So very important 2-mark question. Please note it down. A unit is the standard quantity with which unknown quantities are compared. It is defined as the, note it down this line, it is defined as the specific magnitude of a physical quantity that has been adopted by law or convention. Once again repeat. It is defined as a specific magnitude of a physical quantity that has been adopted by law or convention. For example, feet is the unit for measuring length. That means 10 feet is equal to 10 times the definite predetermined length called feet. Our forefathers used units like muzam, furlong, 660 feet, mile, 5280 feet to measure length. Many of the ancient system of measurement were based on the dimension of human body. As a result, unit of location. In earlier time, different unit systems were used by people from different countries. Some of the unit system followed earlier are given below the table 1. Here we can also follow the local unit system. It's like moram, then adi kanakku, moram. These are all the terms. This is a local unit of system, but we should not follow this local units in international. So that is why we should follow the common unit is nothing but SI unit. SI means international system of unit. Thank you.